Are you looking for the best chop saw for woodworking? In this video we will look at some of the best chop saw for woodworking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hoteche 10-inch sliding miter saw. The Hoteche 10-inch sliding miter saw makes a solid impression straight out of the box. We found that setup was a breeze, which is always a plus. Its powerful 15A motor sliced through wood with ease, echoing its claim of efficiency and strength. The cut quality was spot on, thanks in part to the laser guide, which we found particularly helpful during precise work on finer details. We noticed the thoughtful design touches that make woodworking more convenient. For example, the dust bag attachment is a straightforward, but essential addition, taking care of the mess that longer projects inevitably create. While its portability is impressive, we did miss a bit of extra width when handling larger pieces. In terms of drawbacks, while working outside on a sunny day, we found that the laser could be a tad stronger for optimal visibility. While the saw's 10-inch blade handled most tasks without a hitch, for larger sheets or intricate cuts, you might long for a bigger model. Also, be ready to source your own mounting bolts, as these aren't included, which struck us as a minor oversight relating to safety and convenience. At number 2. DEWALT Quick Change Chop Saw. Cutting through a stack of metal pipes, we found the 15-amp motor didn't flinch, delivering clean cuts without bogging down. The key is the saw's ability to maintain high RPMs through thick materials. Swapping out for a fresh blade was impressively straightforward, no wrenches lying around needed. This quick change system not only saved us time but kept the workflow smooth and uninterrupted. The quick fence deserved a nod as we adjusted angles for various cuts. It securely locked down without the need for extra tools, allowing us to move swiftly from one angle cut to the next. Moving the saw between job sites was the only time we grappled with its heft. While the built-in handle eased transportation, the weight could be cumbersome for some. For those delicate woodworking projects, we suggest investing in a finer blade. The one included is competent for general tasks but might not satisfy all intricate cutting needs. In terms of value, this is a premium chop saw. While it might stretch your budget, the durability and performance could justify the upfront cost over time. At number 3. CRAFTSMAN 14-inch Chop Saw. Working with the CRAFTSMAN chop saw gave us the reliable power and precision we look for in metal cutting tasks. Its 15-amp motor maintained steady performance, even during extensive use. We appreciated the spindle lock feature, making blade swapping a breeze without a hassle. Transporting the tool posed no issue, thanks to its lightweight build. This made storage and moving the saw around our workspace effortless. With its solid steel base, handling longer materials felt stable and secure without any unwanted shifting. Nevertheless, we did notice that the saw, while excellent for metal, might not be the first choice for woodworking projects out of the box. Additionally, we felt some of the plastic parts on the saw could be more robust. Lastly, a note to the manufacturer would be that reinforcing the packaging could prevent potential damage during transit. At number 4. Evolution S355 CPSL. The Evolution S355 CPSL is a high-performance, heavy-duty metal cutting chop saw designed for precision, power, and reliability. Equipped with a 14-inch carbide-tipped blade, it delivers clean, burr-free cuts without the heat, sparks, or mess of traditional abrasive saws. Its dry-cut technology ensures cool, accurate cuts on mild steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and more. Built for durability, the robust cast aluminum base provides stability and long-lasting performance, while the quick-release vise and adjustable miter capacity up to 45 degrees make angle cuts fast and effortless. The powerful 15-amp motor handles even the toughest materials with ease, ensuring consistent results for professional fabricators and DIY metalworkers alike. Perfect for workshops, construction sites, and industrial environments, the Evolution S355 CPSL is engineered to last, offering exceptional cutting performance, reduced downtime, and a safer, cleaner working experience. Key features: 14-inch carbide-tipped blade for long life and smooth cuts. Miter adjustment up to 45 degrees. 15-amp motor for heavy-duty performance. Burr-free, cool, dry cutting, no coolant required. Fast, accurate, and reliable metal cutting solution. At number 5. DEWALT Miter Saw. The DEWALT DWS779 is a professional-grade 12-inch sliding compound miter saw engineered for precision, power, and versatility. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor delivering up to 3,800 revolutions per minute, it provides smooth, accurate cuts through hardwoods, lumber, and trim materials. The dual bevel design allows easy angle adjustments in both directions, while the innovative back fence system supports crosscuts up to 2 by 14 inches at 90 degrees and 2 by 10 inches at 45 degrees. Featuring stainless steel miter detent plates with 10 positive stops, this saw ensures repeatable accuracy and durability on every job. The precise miter system and linear ball bearing slide rails deliver controlled, smooth operation for high-quality finishes. Ideal for carpenters, framers, and woodworkers, the DWS779 includes a blade wrench, material clamp, and dust collection system for cleaner workspaces. Built to DEWALT's legendary standards, it's a reliable, powerful tool designed to handle demanding cutting tasks with ease. Key features: 15-amp motor with 3,800 revolutions per minute cutting power. Dual bevel with up to 49 degrees left/right adjustment. Sliding rails for increased crosscut capacity. Stainless steel miter detent plate with 10 stops. Includes blade wrench and material clamp. At number 6. DEWALT DCS361B 20V Max. The DEWALT DCS361B is a compact, cordless 7¼ miter saw designed for portability, precision, and performance. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max battery system, it delivers the cutting power of a corded saw with the convenience of cordless operation, perfect for job sites, remodelers, and trim carpenters on the go. This lightweight saw features an integrated XPS crosscut positioning system that provides accurate cut line visibility without recalibration. With a stainless steel miter detent plate offering 11 positive stops, users can make quick, repeatable cuts with confidence. The saw supports miter cuts up to 47 degrees left and right and bevel cuts up to 45 degrees, offering excellent versatility for various materials and applications. Compact, durable, and easy to transport, the DCS361B combines DEWALT's reliability with modern cordless freedom, ideal for professionals needing precision and mobility in one package. Key features: 20V Max cordless power, battery sold separately. 7/1/4 blade with up to 2x8 crosscut capacity. XPS LED cutline system for enhanced accuracy. 11 positive miter stops for repeatable cuts. Lightweight, portable design at just 30 pounds.